good, people? I'm back again with another video. This is my first ever Vapourmax model. This is not my first Vapourmax colorway of this model, so I do have more. And just before I get into it, I like to make sure that I tell everybody to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it's easy to do, man. It's easy. Like is one button, share is one button, subscribe is one button. You know, all these things is one button. Thumbs up will make my video go a long way. Thank you to all those people who watch regularly, by the way. I do see, I don't know who you are, so shout out yourselves, or just comment if you are watching this, who you are. Just give me a comment so I can acknowledge that. So shout out you for the support. There is a bunch of you, so there's, quite a few of you who watch it, watch them regularly. But yeah, man, let me stop waffling. Let me just get straight into this video. Boom. The best Nike box ever, to be honest. I wouldn't say, or ever, yeah, I say ever. This is just an amazing box. Attention to detail, they've done it different, and it, wraps around, which is always a plus. It's proper, man. I like this. Plus, this little, drawer thing. Nike, you're charging us so much money. Start making these, because then it's easier for me to pile up my trainers. I'll just pile them up one on top of each other, and just, they got their own little storage box, instead of me buying extra storage boxes and all that extra nonsense and making a mess when I need to find something. But yeah, let's see what they are. It's an Air Vapourmax Evo Black, meaning triple black. Let's just get into it now. Triple black pair. So the triple black Nike Vapourmax Evo. It's got the Evo logos there with the Nike Air. I really like triple black now, man. These will be really good for like a wintertime trainer on the bottom of tracksuits. I can't say there's anything negative about these trainers except for this tongue, which I really hate. Nike, man, fix up. You made a sick trainer and you ruined it with this crappy neoprene tongue. Let me just get into the science behind the trainer. So there is a booklet which explains bits and bobs about the trainer. So Air Vapourmax. I'm used to saying Air Max. Air Vapourmax Evo. So Evo is evolution of icons. So it's got the little. That's actually really nice leather. On other pairs, it's a bit of a different material. That came from the Air Max 90, which was released in 1990. This crappy neoprene rubbish and the back tab is from the Air Max 93, which was released in 1993, which is, I don't really like much, to be honest. Then a very underrated shoe, so this bit, and then the very little that they've done here, this little grip that came from the Air Max 96. This little small plate came from the Air Max Plus, also known as the TN, or the tuned as people say. I don't say, so it's the TN to me, and the TN to you, to me, to you. Then it's got this section which came from the Nike Tuned Max, which is kind of an underrated shoe, to be honest. Air Max 2005, so that's got the support on the flex plates and the little back on the heel. So that's from the Air Max Solas, which came out in 2005. An underrated trainer, which is the Air Max 180. So it's literally got the tick from the Air Max 180. And finally, a trainer that came out in 2020 that I do not have and I do not think I'll get, the Air Vapourmax 2020. Let's throw that to the side. So it's got the Vapourmax bubble, all black trainers, literally blacked out. I really like this. I don't know if you can actually tell, but that's like a glittery. Let me get it closer to the camera. It's like a glittery thing. It's really nice. Yeah, I can't say too much about this because it is a triple black, and reviewing triple black or triple white trainers is one of the most boring things ever, as I have to waffle for ages about them, but all it is a triple black model of whichever the trainer is. So with that being said, all I can say is, Nike, I don't want to see this again. Just hire me, man. Hire me, people. Hire me, and I will give you good ideas on what to do on trainers, because I really don't like this crap, man. This ruined an amazing trainer to me, because I love an old school trainer. And you know what else is funny? Nike could remove this. I'm just going to give one more free tip to Nike. They can remove this Vapormax nonsense, and they can put on a Air Max 2015, 2016, whatever you want to call them soles. Many different soles you can put on the bottom of this trainer and they will look good. But I'm not going to give too much away now, because Nike, you can do that, you can have that. But my actual ideas, how to edit the shoe, what to change up a bit more, or if you let me design a pair of my own, will be way better. But yeah, I don't want to waffle for hours and bore everyone, so I just want to leave this video on a note of make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, the on-foot video will follow. Take care, people.